Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to add music to Windows Media Player. Right, so you just open up your start menu, search for this media player, and then guys, we have multiple ways of adding your music. So first one, for example, from the home page, so you go open files, or you can just press on this drop down and choose how you wish to do that. Open the file, so which is going to be one file. Open the folder that will contain multiple music files, for example. And then also URL, if you wish to do it from the link right from the internet. Or you can also go to your music library and in here just add a folder. So let us do it this way. Okay, so I've added my music, for example, right? And now what's it going to do? It will scan your libraries. You can see the files are being added all of the time. And then depending, of course, how many audio files you have in that folder, it will take some time. I have quite a few, but as you can see, because I have an SSD, it's quite fast. And now in order to play either of these files, you can just press on play right here and you're done, guys. So enjoy. If this helped you out, enjoy your music, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.